Hello, in this video I'd like to share with you some tips on battery management for your GoPro Lit Hero so you can actually save some battery on this device. There is gonna be just a few things here that will improve your battery life. The battery life still isn't the best, of course. It's just what you'd expect from that camera, but if you'd like to improve it, then you can try doing the things that I recommended. So let's go. Let's slide down from the top of the screen and then go to the right and find the preferences. Now here, voice control. If you don't use voice control, you can disable it. That will make your battery be saved a little bit because it won't listen for your voice commands, so it'll use less power to process that. Let's go to voice control and you can just disable it if you don't need it. Now another thing is going to be display. Then go to brightness and you can lower the screen brightness to an optimal level in which you can see everything well, but your battery isn't drained, because if you put it all the way up, it'll of course use more battery. And now I could also show you one more thing. I believe it was in general, but I'll need to probably find it somewhere because I don't really remember where it was. Okay, the last thing is actually the two things. You can disable beeps if you don't need them. That will also save your battery a little bit, and you can also enable orientation lock if you don't need the screen to rotate when you rotate the device. That will also save some battery because the camera won't need to check the orientation of the device. And these are like small little simple tricks that will make your battery last a little longer. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.